Express 30 kilometers 240 degrees in the form of AB. This is a multiple choice question, and so we will solve the question, and after that we will pick the correct option. We have the vector 30 kilometers 240 degrees in the magnitude direction form, and the question wants us to express it in the component form. If you have a vector in the magnitude direction form, for example, if the magnitude is r kilometers and the direction is theta degrees, and you want to express it in the component form, the x component will be r sine theta and the y component will be r cos theta. So if we apply this here, then we can say that the vector 30 kilometers 240 degrees, if we express it in the component form, we are going to have 30 sine 240 degrees as the x component and 30 cos 240 degrees as the y component. 30 sine 240 degrees will give us negative 25.98, and 30 cos 240 degrees will give us negative 15.00. So when we express the vector 30 kilometers 240 degrees in the component form, we are going to have negative 25.98 as the x component and negative 15.00 as the y component. When we look through the options, we can see that the correct option is A.